So I am Amrit. I am from Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkuru. So thank you for giving me an opportunity to complete my internship at MRJ WSA Full Stack Development Intern. So as you are able to see in the desktop, I have given all my credentials with my email and the college from where I come and everything. So I have learned a lot of things during the internship. So I have learned what are the components which are present regarding the front end and back end, and how to integrate those two things. So this is my internship presentation. So I would like to thank even my college placement coordinator for guiding me throughout this internship and notifying me that Emerge is a company where they are giving full stack development offer interns intern offers for the upcoming engineering and undergraduate students. So this is the overview of the project which I have built. So I have titled my project as Gilded Events. So it is a web application for discovering and booking events. It also allows users to explore events, register and make bookings easily. So in a simple words, if I have to tell the application which I have built, it is a event booking system and it is designed for smooth, secure and responsive user experience. And now, what were the goals of my internship? So, my goal during the internship was to learn end-to-end web development. We all know that there is front-end development, back-end development, but full stack is a combination of both front-end and back-end. So, learning end-to-end web development, especially we all know how to create front-end pages and back-end logics, but we will fail most of the time when we are connecting the two things or when we are asked to connect front end to the back end. So suppose if a user entries or give an entry to his data in the front end, how it is mapped to the back end. So that is where full stack concept comes. So I have built a friendly and functional web application. It also implement authentication data storage. So again, the project which I have built will also help in gaining real project experience. So what were the project requirements? Event browsing and search, user login and registration, event booking flow, user dashboard to manage bookings, and admin panel. So the architecture is basically the components which are there in my website. So for front end, I am using React on Next.js, Tailwind CSS. For backend, it is Firebase, and database also I am using Firestore for users, events, and bookings. Hosting, I am using Firebase hosting, but for deployment, I am using Vercel. So tools which I have used for developing the code is Visual Studio Code, and I have pushed the code to the GitHub. So the main features of the project which I have built is it has user registration and login. It also have event listing with details, searching and filtering events, book and manage reservations, view past and upcoming bookings. So implementation highlights. So it ensures secure login or sign up, storing all event and booking data, modular front end with reusable components, responsive design for desktop and mobile users. So here we come for the demo. So it is a home page with event list, login and registration, booking page, and my bookings page and project link. So here I have attached the project link. So in this through this website I'll be explaining majority of the features which are present. So it is getting redirected. So you are able to see this is the application which I have built. So it consists of around 6 events and to which category it belongs to. I've also added search for events, upcoming events. So I have built my own application here. If I click on events, this page is going to retain, and here I have login previously itself. So let me log out first, and then let me go for the login part. So let me click on this. Since I have logged out here, it will show login to book. So it will automatically ask for logging in. So here I have to give my credentials. I will give my credentials. Once I give my credentials, it will tell. So it shows you have successfully logged in, and it will ask for number. So if I give expiry and 1 2 3, if I click on pay, it should go to the payment page. And here I have also added reservations, like for which events I have reserved. So if I click on view event, I'll be able to get this page. So here event details, from which time to which time, at which location, and to which category this event belongs to. And it also have this about this event feature also. So where the in this part, it this about this event is going to explain the event components and what are all the things which are going to happen during the event. I've also added PDF and PPT option. Using JS PDF option, I can do it. And for you, I have added personalized recommendation system. So login history, if I click on login history, so here I'll be any user will be able to track his login history, like at which time, at which date he was logged in. So these are the things which we can see from the website. So if I click on explore events, I'll get this one. And I have also, if I hover on any of the event, the tab part of that it should maximize. So these are all the things I have worked during my internship. The challenges and the learnings which I have come across this internship. So here I have shown the demo, which consists of homepage with event list, login, registration, booking process, my bookings page. So even I had told for the implementation highlights. So it ensures secure login page. So main features, it ensures user registration login, event listing with details. Means it gives a date, time, venue, and for which category that event belongs to. Search and filter events, book and manage reservations, view past and upcoming bookings. Now, challenges and learnings which I have come across during the internship is handling user sessions securely. So this is one of the major problem where I have felt when I was implementing uh, when I was working with the project. So now working with asynchronous data, not just one form, many forms of data, and debugging front end and back end integration. So I would like to conclude that. After dealing with so many errors, successfully I could build a functional event booking platform. I also understood the full stack web application flow. So how does the database, front end, back end, all those things are interconnected to each other. And I have also gained hand-on experience with front end, back end, and hosting, and apply. And I have also applied the theoretical knowledge practically during the internship which I have gained. So using the knowledge which I have gained during the internship, I have created my own project, and I have named the project as Gilded Events. It is a web application for, I repeat, it is a web application for discovering and booking events. It is an event booking system. It allows users to explore events, register, and make bookings easy, designed for smooth, secure, and responsive experience.